Si Lanz yung tipong org head na alam yung ginagawa niya every step of the way. Kaya kami sa org, hindi kami nawawala and we always stay in our goal.
Si Kuya, siya yung taong mabait,
Masipag,
mapagkumbaba,
matyaga.
Saka si Lanz, pag nagsasalita siya, lahat talaga nakikinig kasi he's so insightful. Saka batas si Lanz eh.
And I can certainly say that Lanz truly embodies the characteristics needed for a student leader. He is compassionate, competent, and he has a great desire to serve for the good of others.
Dahil sa kanya, natutunan kong magsikap sa aking pag-aaral.
Yung mga leksyon niya sa amin, yung tumulong sa amin para makapasok sa Ateneo High School bilang mga scholar. Binago na yung buhay namin.
I believe that the Sanggu government should be more visible, approachable, and open to its constituents
to maintain Sanggu's relevance in the constantly changing Loyola schools.
I will commit to promoting being people for and with others by lobbying for scholars' representation in the Central Board, promoting good business ethics, and raising awareness regarding key social issues outside the Loyola schools. Together, we will fight for a more visible and student-empowering Sanggunian. I am Lanz Espacio and I am running for SOM Central Board Representative.